Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel INFY. So in today's video we are going to see how we are going to spin up a simple basic HTTP server in GoLang. So that is very easy, that can be done in very few minutes. So for that, to get started, here I am having a simple main function. So just let us get started with writing some print statements. You can say starting HTTP server. So and after that you can just specify the port. So your server needs to listen on a particular port number. So I'm going to have a simple port like 8080, the classic one. And after that, once you have the port, you can start listening to the particular port with the help of the HTTP package. Okay, HTTP dot listen and serve takes in the port as the param and handler as well. So as of now we don't require the handler to be specified, so you can have nil over here. Okay, so you can just add one more logging statement over here. You can say uh, listening on port, the actual port variable. So now you have the port listening. This particular listen and serve might return an error as well, so we'll make sure you do an error check. So if there is an error while listening to the given port number, you can just panic with the error itself. And after that you can write your handler functions. So for that you can let's say we are going to make use of handle function within the HTTP package. So the default route will be, and let's say when the user comes to our home route, we are going to serve a simple index.html file. So this index.html file is present in the static folder, which is going to have a text called welcome to INFY. So when the user comes to this route, this particular handle takes in two params. One is the URL pattern and the other is going to be the HTTP handler. So for the HTTP handler, we are going to make use of the file server method, because we are going to serve a static file. So you are going to specify the directory of your static HTML files. So our directory is nothing but the static under the root folder. So when the user comes to this route, the file under the static folders will be served, and the default index.html will be served if any file name is not being specified over the this particular route. And also you can, for example, you can have another function called handle function. For this you can have a route name called dashboard, and you can write your own handler function over here. So you can call something as dashboard handler. This particular dashboard handler takes into params. So you can see the handler function takes into params. One is the response writer and the one is the request. So basically when you are making a request to the server, then you are going to have this classic two params in your handler for the classic request. So that is going to be the http.response writer, and the second one is going to be a pointer to the incoming request body from the client. Okay, so you can make use of the fprintf function in the format package. Basically this accepts an IO writer. So here we are having a response writer which is of type IO writer only. So you can maybe pass in the string welcome to dashboard. So you can just pass in this dashboard handler to this handle function second param, which accepts the handler as the input. Okay, so that's all. Yeah, with this you are able to write in a basic HTTP server in GoLang in less than few minutes, and you can maybe test this with the command go run main.go. So as you can see, let me save this. Now run it again. As you can see, the logs we are getting as listening on port 8080. Now let us try to hit the URL 8080. As you can see, the home route is serving the classic index.html file which we have under the static directory. So that's what we're getting. So once we hit in the dashboard route, we need to get a string saying welcome to dashboard. So now let's try with the dashboard route. You can see the string is welcome to dashboard as the response from our basic HTTP server. So this is how you can spin up a simple basic HTTP server in less than few minutes in GoLang. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.